Voot presents VIV 100 by 55. This is a purely industrial grade vacuum cleaner built for continuous operation. Designed for demanding environments, its stainless steel body does not rust even in high humidity. It is ideal for pharma plants and other large industries where performance and safety are critical. It comes with a 100-liter tank capacity and runs on a 3-phase system, making it ideal for heavy-duty industrial environments. This machine can easily handle oil, metal chips, oil and grease, along with powder and dust. With its high-capacity suction hose, it pulls up fine dust, stubborn powder and large particles all in a single sweep. It leaves your space immaculate, with visible cleaning results that you can count on every time. It is also equipped with a HEPA filter, ensuring that even the smallest particles are captured without escaping back into the environment. The filter in the Voot 100/55 is designed for easy detachment from the machine, allowing quick and hassle-free maintenance. Its simple design makes filter cleaning a breeze, and it helps maintain suction power and efficiency, ensuring nothing is left behind during the cleaning process. VIV 100 by 55, engineered for power, designed for continuous performance.